The Chrysler Voyager is coming back from the dead as the brand's low-cost minivan option. It lies slightly below the lowest-priced Pacifica in the Chrysler lineup and uses the van's pre-facelift appearance to stand out on the sales floor. For its 2025 relaunch, Chrysler has included numerous new standard technologies in the Voyager, including as adaptive cruise control, a 10.1-inch infotainment touchscreen, rear parking sensors, and blind spot monitoring. The interior of the Voyager is similar to that of the Pacifica, with less creature comforts. Although leather seats and rear seat entertainment are not available, the Voyager does have the same stow and go fold-away second and third row seating that makes the Pacifica such a flexible people and cargo carrier. The Voyager has 32 cubic feet of cargo storage behind the third row, the same as the Pacifica. So, the Voyager will be able to accommodate the same 12 carry-on luggage with the rear seat up as the Pacifica.